video, I will show you how to create moss stitch. This is another commonly used fabric for areas such as edgings and collars. Like a rib stitch, it is formed of knitting one stitch and purling the next. But the difference is that on the second row, you work the opposite stitch to the one on the previous row. This produces a bumpy textured fabric. For this sample, I will be using 5mm knitting needles and an Aran weight yarn. We'll start by working one knit stitch, bring the yarn between the two needles and work a purl. Bring the yarn back through the needles and work another knit stitch. We repeat, working one knit stitch and one purl stitch. Remember to bring the yarn backwards and forwards between each stitch. This is our finished moss stitch sample, and as you can see, it's the same on the back and the front.